Welcome to the program. So I am just going to quickly run you through how our program works, and then I'm going to throw it over to the Train Heroic guys who are going to run you through how the app works. So to start with, our session will always be structured with a warm-up. So if we tap on that and then you tap on the video, that's going to run you through the warm-up that we want you to get through. So that's going to be your starting point. Now, as we go through, we can mark these off, and then it's going to come up against our session. So this is what they will look like. They're generally going to be 2 or 3 exercises together. So in this case, we're going to do 14 back squats, 14 rollouts, 12 back squats, 12 rollouts, 10, 10, 8, 8, and then we move on. Now we do something called reverse pyramids where we start with higher reps, lower weights, and then as those reps decrease, those weights increase as we go forward. So that's the way we structure it. Now to start with, when we go into it, in my case, I've been using the app for a while, so it's going to have my numbers in there. But if we are new to the program, like you will be, you're going to have, this is what all your numbers are going to look like. So just blank spaces. So when you start, in this case, we're going to be doing 14 bench press into 14 bent over rows using dumbbells. We just want you to start with a rough number and just make sure that it's comfortable for you. So let's just say I start with a couple of 8 kilo dumbbells. So that just means it's going to be 16 kilos. We're always entering total weight. And then what we want to do is just press log. So if I do 14 reps at 16 kilos, I'll log that. And then I've done my 14 reps at 50 kilos, for example. And then I just want you to go to that second set, sorry. And if that was too easy, then we can bump that rate up. So let's just say I go to 20 kilos on this one. And then get through that, feels okay, feels about right. So I might just stay with 20 for the rest of the session. And then we're done. Now, what will happen is this will just need to be done for the start of your program. So as soon as we start entering weight into these exercises, the next time we come up against them, it's going to look like this. So it'll have our numbers that what we should be lifting, and then we just want you to work towards that. So that's all we want you to work with at the moment. I'm going to throw it over to the Train Heroic guys, and they're going to run you through how the app works. Cheers.
Log in your session in the app with these steps. Step 1, hit Start Session to begin your workout. Prior to logging, you will be prompted to answer 5 quick questions regarding your readiness. These metrics will be tracked over time to help you be more mindful of your training intensity and make sure you're recovering optimally. You'll see the first exercise in your session. Swipe left or right to toggle between exercises. If this is your first time performing a specific exercise, be sure to tap on the video icon to receive points of performance and a movement demonstration video. Depending on the exercise you're performing, you'll have the ability to record reps, weight, time, RPE, and a variety of other metrics. Once you complete your first set, simply enter the reps and the weight into the table on the screen. Be sure to select log or tap the green circle to make sure your data gets recorded. Your total reps and volume lifted for the session will be automatically recorded, and the next time you perform this exercise, data will be surfaced for you, so you'll never have to guess what weight you used last time. Once your training is complete, select Done Training on the final screen to finish logging. You'll be prompted to record the intensity of your workout on a slider and add any notes regarding how things went. These are easy to reference in the future. Don't forget to share that session summary to IG so your friends and followers can see the work you're putting in. Let the gains commence.